HIVE Blockchain, we're a globally diversified, green energy focused Bitcoin miner. 2023 is a very exciting year for HIVE. We just announced that we'll be increasing our processing capacity by 100% this year. HIVE is well positioned to capitalize on the digital transformation. This is fueled by 2,000 plus Bitcoin balance sheet that we have. In addition to this, we are one of the top performing green and clean Bitcoin miners in the sector with a focus on renewable energy, because social impact and environmental impact to us are important. HIVE is an excellent proxy for shareholders looking for exposure to Bitcoin as an asset class. AI is possibly the most disruptive technology. We are generating over $1 million a year in income using our Nvidia GPUs, applying AI technology.